Smartzoom 5 Digital Microscope. 15 highlights in 120 seconds. Use the integrated camera to navigate easily to areas of interest. Select automatic illumination to assure the best image quality. Touchscreen controls make microscope operation fast and simple. 2D and 3D imaging are used together to generate new perspectives. 2D and 3D measurements reveal both surface and depth profiles. Large area image acquisition uses automated tiling to achieve greater sample detail. Full-range autofocus assures perfect focus at any position. Motorized continuous zoom helps you choose the ideal magnification. Integrated emergency stop safeguards both samples and objectives. Coded objectives retain calibration and image settings even when changing lenses. Extended depth of field enables sharp images from all viewing angles. Filter-free glare removal function eliminates reflections and enhances contrast. Automatic pivot point tilts to 45 degrees in both directions for images from any angle. Job mode guides semi-automated inspection, batch processing, and reporting. Smartzoom data follows your sample to other ZEISS microscopes when further analysis is needed. For more information, visit our website.